Hello, my name is Abhinav, and I'll be showing you a walkthrough of our app called EasyLease. So depending on whether the user already has an account or needs to create an account, he can either log in or sign up. And I'll be showing the sign up page. Let's just use a dummy variable. Dan4, we'll make a username Dan. Password also Dan. And a valid email ID has to be entered here. And here you have to enter a valid apartment number, which has to be 4 digits. And you can sign up here.
Yeah, hi guys, this is Dharmit Prajapati, and I'm going to show the walkthrough of our app called the Easy Lease. So, uh, so there are two options on the initial page: the login and the sign up part. So, if the user is already a valid user and has an account, he can directly use the credentials to log in. We have a dummy user named Vivek, which we can use in the app. Let's give it the username as Vivek. And the password set up as now we'll try to log in. So yeah, the user is able to log in. Now here we have 4 options for the user where he can raise a request, he can schedule an appointment for a particular outdoor activity, he can check his messages, and he can update his profile. So let's check the initial page first where the user can log a request, maintenance request, if he has some issue like the plumbing part is not working. So I'll say Vivek, give the full name first, Vivek Roy, the phone number as and then the email ID as, and you can give a category to like which issue is he having. Suppose he has a plumbing issue, and then we have a permission to enter. Suppose he's not at home and he wants the work to be done, he can just say permission to enter is yes. We can set the priority as well. Here we can say it's urgent, and then in the description we can say that water leaking something, so describing the issue, and then the user can basically submit the request, and you can see the request gets submitted to our database. So, and another thing which the user can do is schedule a particular event, like an outdoor event, like the swimming pools in our locality, like they don't have a schedule which they can follow. So we can just give a rough idea about the date on which we want to book. Suppose it's 15th April. Yeah, and you can just give the category as swimming, and then if we submit it, the event gets scheduled. So basically, you have booked the swimming pool for that day. The user has the ability to check the events, upcoming events uh, on this part of the page where you can show like there's a table tennis event which Bob has scheduled. DGP has like some dummy events which we have created here from the database. And then the user has the ability to check his profile. He can also update the details here as well.
Apart from the 4 pages you can see on the navigation bar below, we can also go to the settings on the top right, as you can see here. And we have implemented a basic page where you can toggle a few of the options. And if a user wants to log out, he has to go to settings and click here. And it takes it back to the login page, where again you can either log in or sign up.